It's me, Jimmy. So here the Philips SHE She8500 extra bass headphone. I'm really very much excited. Let me just open it. Okay, here we go. Okay, here are the headphones. It cost me around less than 10 bucks. Okay, and then here are the headphones. First, I wanna do the headphone quality. Like, how is the build quality of the headphone? Okay, it comes with 4 extra. Personally, I love to use the middle one for my ear canal. It's the perfect size. It's not metal, it's purely plastic, as you can see. It's just purely plastic. Can it focus? Yeah, it's purely plastic. There's no metal, it's purely plastic. The build quality is quite okay, crappy. The build quality is quite crappy. But now it depends on the sound. I can live with crappy build quality, but if sound better, no one is going to come and touch my ear headphone just to see how good build it is. Again, it's very lightweight. Maybe they use Philips uses crappy build quality just because they are lightweight. And now jump to me. So here are the headphones. It's quite nice and very lightweight. The build quality is quite cheap. It's super cheap plastic, but it's quite nice and quite. I mean, the cord length is quite long. This is mostly not for smartphone. This is mostly designed for the laptop. But one thing is that there is no microphone in it, so I don't understand. Like only for using for listening music or like audio. You just have wanna have an audio with your laptop. Maybe you're playing games. That's all. Other than that, like, I mean, there's nothing to complain. This is quite. The build quality is super cheap. This is not the Philips level build quality. But again, it's better than nothing because it's super cheap, less than $10. What else do you want, to be honest with you? It's quite nice. As you can see, I mean, it's quite nice. I mean, I really like it, to be honest with you. So, I will just say it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.